There's a stupid easy side hustle to make $50K per month on Instagram Reels with 0 followers. This can be done at home and it's pretty much just copy and paste. So first, you're going to want to sign up for all the affiliate networks like clickbank.com, CJ Affiliate, and Share a Sale. Then, you want to look for the easiest and the hottest offers to promote. For example, let's just say that we're in the travel niche. You're going to go to CJ Affiliate, you're just going to type in travel, and you're going to find something like, let's just say TripAdvisor. And let's just say that TripAdvisor will pay you $10 for every click that you send to their landing page. That means in order to make $50,000, all we have to do is send 5,000 people to their landing page. And then all you're going to do is start a travel page on Instagram where you're going to repurpose all of the viral travel content across the entire internet and repost it on your page. Then once your page is booming, all you got to do is sit back and collect the checks from your affiliate accounts.